In this video, I will show you how to link your eFootball mobile account to your PC. So there are 3 steps you need to take. First, the most important, create or sign in into a Konami ID. So Konami is the developer of eFootball, so you want to go to the Konami ID site and then just create a free Konami ID or sign in if you already have one. Then verify your email and complete the account setup. Next, link your eFootball mobile account. So open eFootball mobile on your phone and go to Extras, Support and then link Konami ID. Then log in with your Konami ID credentials and your mobile account is now linked. Then finally link your eFootball on PC through Steam. So install and open eFootball on your PC via Steam. From the title screen select Link Data. Then choose Konami ID and log in with the same Konami ID you used on mobile. Your game data will sync and teams, coins, GP and progress are shared across devices. So now you know how to link eFootball mobile to PC. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.